Okay, so this is 1229. Just again, kind of improving on these divergence and these super low ATR trades because it's the end of the year, so things are moving a little slowly. So this is the first trade. Just took it quickly on the bounce to the 700. Worked out really nicely. The size was just too small, but got it. Put the take profit right below the 20. Actually, even ended up moving it slightly, but great trade overall. So this one, I think looks like was another winner. Again, price kind of broke out to the downside. Got that 600. Um, Actually, I didn't. This is one I did not take. Kind of got that long-term divergence, um, but you can see it kind of bounced and came all the way up to take profit one. I mean, the truth is, again, I probably would have taken it off there on that first bounce, but you can also see in the middle how it got the divergent. I mean, it got the higher high in the tick, but did not get the lower low in the price. So that's why I did not take a trade there. But yeah, learning this divergence game, and this worked out well. Here, took a couple losses. Again, trying to kind of learn the system. So I took it as like looked like it was like a slight divergence, kind of continuation of the previous trade, but it was super slight and just rolled over. Just did not get the follow through at all. I think it needs just needs more of a sloped divergence than like that. Like it was barely on especially on the price. I think that's key. The tick wasn't worst looking divergence, but the price divergence was not there. Of course, I sized up on this one after I was small and then missed a trade. That's okay. Anyway, so I took another shot at it here. Um, and again, it just kind of fell right through it. So I did not wait for the green close, but this one I did. And again, with the rotating of the accounts, just didn't get off kilter, which was pretty awesome. This one actually ended up being the bottom and running for quite a while. Um, but again, you can just kind of see how it schlepped around here for a bit and did eventually hit my take profit. Really could have sized up on a lot of these trades. Even 15 is pretty small considering I could have done like a 10 or 7 tick stop loss. And you can see there it popped. It actually ended up going a bit farther, but I think quite a bit farther actually. But 34 on that initial, or that's kind of secondary pop. It was like 30 minutes into the trade. Actually ended up hitting the third take profit after like 53 minutes. But this was so this one I actually just took on the trigger on the 700. Just kind of popped out. Ended up getting a divergence right there, which I mean, all said and done, I think it was about like a two tick better entry. Um, Something to consider, I guess, with the MA trending down. If the market was, more of a volatile, could have been a problem. But anyway, so yeah, so the market actually turned around here. Ended up running for quite a while, uh, like over the next hour. But yeah, these low ATR trades, they just really take time. trying to protect my accounts as much as possible while not choking the trades. It is nice generally on these low ATRs that you don't get the like the tick outs. Yeah, so you kind of see there how it just again once it got going, it went. But good day overall.